Acura is creating 50 hand-assembled TLX Type S PMC editions finished in Gotham gray matte paint, the signature color of the performance brand's NSX Type S supercar. The unique paint utilizes a clear matte metallic finish to give the TLX Type S an even more sinister appearance. Exterior design elements unique to the TLX Type S PMC edition include Berlina black paint for the door handles and part of the lower side sill garnish. Also, NSX-inspired wide-spoke 20-inch lightweight wheels are finished in Berlina black, while a gloss carbon fiber deck lip, lid spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser, lower side sill garnish, and black chrome quad exhaust finishes complete the more aggressive look. Gloss black TLX Type S and SHAWD exterior badging is also standard. Inside, the TLX Type S PMC edition is further distinguished by carbon fiber interior trim panels, illuminated side sills, and premium floor mats with Type S badges and colored accent binding. A striking red Milano leather interior is contrasted with black stitching and ultra suede inserts. The lower console is accented with an individually numbered serial plaque to designate the 2023 TLX Type S PMC edition as a limited edition vehicle, handcrafted at the Performance Manufacturing Center. The 2023 Gotham Gray TLX Type S PMC edition follows previous PMC editions, as well as the NSX supercar, all handcrafted by master technicians at the Performance Manufacturing Center. Following the hand assembly process, each PMC edition receives the same quality control process applied to NSX, including a dyno check, paint inspection, and rough road simulation. To protect the paint during shipping, PMC editions are wrapped in a specially designed car cover and transported to Acura dealers via enclosed single-car carriers. Mirroring the production of 50 Gotham Gray NSX Type S models built for the US market, the 50 handcrafted high-performance sedans will enter production next month at the company's Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio and arrive at select dealers this spring, priced at $65,000 US.